Hey everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we created this for loop to print each one of our friends, and every single one is on a new line. And what I'm going to be teaching you is how we can put all of those on the same line. So there's actually a different variation of the print function that we can use to do this. So what we can do is we can pass in another argument. It's called end, and then we assign it a value. So we could assign it a space as an example. And what this is going to do is instead of doing the default new line after each print, it's going to just put a space instead. So running this now, and we get Abby, Jonathan, Becky, Ryan, and then the original prompt from the terminal. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is that sometimes you'll want to do that for a loop, so not everything gets its own line, but then at the end you might want to put a new line, but just for the very last one. So for example, you might want to put a new line right after Ryan so that this prompt goes down on the next line. The absolute easiest way to do this is after the loop, not within the loop, just say print. And you can just leave it blank, and it's going to default back to the new line for each print. So this end only applies for this statement right here. So running this, we get that new line, and this prompt goes down to the next line. So there you go, just a little life hack to make your life a bit easier. Next up, we're going to talk about a cool variation of the for loop that you can use for other things than just going through items in a list.